Hi guys, welcome to UK Visa and Immigration Update. Please subscribe to our channel for more latest and useful videos. Today in this video we are going to talk about UK study visa requirements in 2022 and new rules. The UK is one of the most popular destinations for international students. However, getting a student visa to study in the UK can be quite challenging and time-consuming. To make it easier for Indian students who wish to pursue higher education in the UK, there are new provisions that will come into effect from 2022. These include faster processing times and streamlined application processes, as well as an increased number of routes available for Indian students wanting to study in Britain. This article explores all the new UK study visa requirements in 2022 that you must know about to receive a UK student visa. Top 7 UK study visa requirements in 2022. To study in the UK and a foreign national, you must be above 16 years of age. You are also required to have an offer from a reputed institution or a licensed student sponsor. Having a strong financial plan or sponsor to fund your education and living expenses is also important. The United Kingdom is one of the leading countries attracting students from all across the globe. Despite the pandemic, there has been a good rate of visa approval in the UK, especially for Indian students. These are the main UK visa requirements for a UK student visa applications in 2022. 1. Offer from an educational institution. You must have an offer from a licensed student sponsor. As proof, the educational institution will give you the confirmation of acceptance for studies, CAS. You must have the CAS before you apply for a UK student visa. Moreover, you have to apply for the student visa within 6 months of receiving the CAS. There are various courses that you can select from. A part-time course that will qualify you above degree level, RQF level 7 or higher. In this case, you might need the Academic Technology Approval Scheme, ATAS certificate. A full-time course that will qualify you for a degree level or higher, RQF level 6.7 or 8. A full-time course that will qualify you for a degree level or more, RQF level 6.7 or 8. A full-time course that will qualify you for a below degree level, RQF level 3.4 or 5. An English language course at level B2 or more in the CEFR, Common European Framework of Reference for Languages scale. An approved foundation program that is sponsored for dentists and postgraduate doctors. What is a CEFR? CEFR is also known as the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, Learning, Teaching, and Assessment. Its main aim is to provide a structural method of learning, teaching, and assessing that applies to Europe's languages. Here is the CEFR table for English qualifications. 2. Proficiency in the English language. You must prove that you are fluent in the English language. The level is measured on the CEFR, Common European Framework of Reference for Languages scale. As proof, you must pass the Secure English Language Test, SELT. Note: if you have applied for a course of degree level or more, then the provider can evaluate your English language skills. You might have to take a different test, but, still, the test results have to be equivalent to the B2 level. 3. Eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria for the UK student visa requirements are: the applicant must be of 16 years of age or more. The candidate must have enough funds to pay the course fee. They must also be able to support themselves during their stay. The applicant must have an offer from an approved educational institution. The candidate must be at a certain level in the English language test results. 4. Documents needed. The documents needed for the student visa are: valid passport, visa application form, passport-sized recent photograph, proof that you have paid the visa fee, visa application fee, proof of funds, financial evidence, confirmation of acceptance for studies, CAS, valid Academic Technology Approval Scheme, ATAS certificate, if needed, medical test results for tuberculosis, payment of the Immigration Healthcare Surcharge, IHS, written agreement from financial sponsor in case of sponsorship, police clearance certificate, However, if you are under 18 years of age, some additional documents are needed. These are: proof of consent from parents or legal guardian, evidence of relationship with parents or legal guardian, copy of birth certificate or any government document that displays the names of parents. Note: the offer letter for your study program will mention whether the program requires an ATAS certificate. 5. Tuberculosis test results. The main medical examination that you need to undergo is for tuberculosis. It is required if you intend to stay in the UK for more than 6 months. The test is a must for visa applicants from the specified list of countries. For this examination, you have to take the chest X-ray test, but, if the results are uncertain, then you have to provide a sputum sample. Only approved clinicians can perform the tests. If the results are negative for tuberculosis, you will get a certificate. The certificate will have validity for 6 months from the date of the test. 6. Proof of funds. The sufficient funds required is £1,265 to support your living expenses and pay the UK's tuition fees. In the Confirmation of Acceptance for Studies, CAS, the funds required are £1,015 per month as living costs if your course is outside London, £1,265 per month if your course is in London, £2,530 for the course in London, if you are on the doctorate extension scheme, £2,030 for the course outside London, if you are on the doctorate extension scheme. Note: proof of funds are not required if you had a valid visa previously for the UK. The visa must have been for a minimum of 12 months. Your country is listed under the differential evidence requirement. Your application states you as a student union sabbatical officer. 7. Immigration Healthcare Surcharge, IHS. You must pay the Immigration Healthcare Surcharge, IHS. It is mainly for those who want to stay in the UK for more than 6 months. The amount of money that you have to pay depends. It is dependent on the amount of time you live in the UK. If you are granted leave for less than 6 months, you need to pay half the annual amount. If you are granted leave for more than 6 months, you need to pay the full yearly amount. You can use the NHS, National Health Service, after you have paid the IHS, but you will still have to pay for dental treatments, prescriptions, assisted conception, eye tests, and so on. New immigration rules regarding the UK student visa. To make things easier for international students, the UK government has made some changes. The new rules are: from the 1st of January 2022, free movement will end and be replaced with the UK's new points-based immigration system. The 5th of October 2020 brought the new points-based system, student route into force. There would be no limit on the number of international students who can come to the UK under the route. Priority will be given to highly skilled individuals, such as those with scientific, academic and technology-related qualifications. There are changes in the new post-study work, PSW visa. The changes are: it will enable the students to work and live in the UK for 3 years after completing a PhD. They can stay and work for 2 years after completion of the master's degree. The government can extend the PSW limit for the master's degree holders from 2 years to 4 years. The new rules are aimed at increasing the total number of international students choosing to study in the UK higher education system each year to 600,000 by 2030. British Council highlighted that the change would have a positive impact on the number of Indian students choosing the UK as a higher education destination. All migrants looking to enter the UK to work or study will need to apply for permission in advance. Indian students starting a UK course in autumn will be eligible to apply even if they need to start their UK course online due to COVID-19. Other FAQs. Do students from the EU, Norway, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, or Norway need a student visa? For the students from the EU, Norway, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, or Norway, you don't require a visa if you enter the UK on December 31, 2020. From January 1, 2022, you will need a visa if you enter the UK. You have to apply for the EU settlement, if you are settled in the UK before December 31, 2020, and want to continue your stay, you must apply before June 30, 2022. What is CAS? CAS is also known as Confirmation of Acceptance for Studies, is an electronic document issued by the university to which you have taken admission. It is valid for 6 months from its date of issuance for a Tier 4 visa applicant. The university will provide the student with a unique reference number for CAS. This reference number should be mentioned by the applicant when she is applying for a Tier 4 visa application. What does a CAS document include? 14-digit reference number for the CAS. Sponsor license number, SLN of the university. Beginning date and end date of your course. Course title. Tuition fees. Paid tuition fees details if you have already paid to the university. Paid fees for accommodation if you have already paid. English language proficiency score. Do students require a biometric residence permit card? International students and others on a dependent visa, visitor visa, student visitor visa, or short-term study visas and others need a biometric residence permit card if they are staying more than 6 months in the UK. Students must collect their BRP cards within 10 days of their arrival in Australia. Thank you for watching this video. For any further information, kindly contact us on the email mentioned below on the screen. Thank you.
अगर आप टॉप काउंसलर से कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, लाइव अपनी काउंसलिंग चाहते हैं, तो आप डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं। अपने किसी भी काउंसलर के साथ आप डायरेक्टली एप्लीकेशन करवा सकते हैं, वीज़ा फाइल सबमिशन करवा सकते हैं। तो वेबसाइट विजिट करें और अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करें ताकि आपकी सारी प्रोसेस स्मूथ रहे।